Snare charge that shit. Hello? Like anyone, man. Come back. There's no point. It's already fucking ran away. These fucking rats are gonna keep annoying us if we don't try to catch them, bitch. Don't catch them.
Nahuli ko na sana yung shipper.
Sana. Yun yung point eh, sana.
Hindi, people already catched up, but you called for back.
Dude, ang lahi ng DPS na walang boots, man. It's already late. Ready defense is shallow, careful.
Emilia, pwedeng pa-mark yan. Saka yung solo bomber. Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the rats here. Come right. Yo, careful. People dying their soul. Careful. Yo, my DPS, just focus on me. Listen, just focus on me, DPS. Let my tanks bong. Support and healers help frontline. Heal them. Yo, later, once that solo bomber comes again, can we kill that tank guy actually? We're gonna fuck up somewhere. I don't have engage yet.
Engage.
Heal up. Southeast 5 on the bomb. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the bomb. Kill the bomb here. He doesn't have anything. Snare. Hold him. He doesn't have anything. Hold him. Kill him. Nice. Come back. Careful overall. Heal up. Ay, nako. Heal up southeast. Careful over the wall. I really need those keepers to come and locus, man. Yo, Blackmon, come to my party. Nag-export if we old keeper, man. When party 1 doesn't even have an old keeper.
Retarded.
God damn. Just come to me. We're in Snakes and Mesa right now. Yo, that Farfrost, can we catch that Farfrost? The Farfrost needs to die. I swear to God. The Farfrost needs to die. North side 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we catch the rats? Kill the rats here. Okay, never mind. Sino naka-chain sa inyo? The fuck? Naka-chain sa inyo.
Hindi ba may...
Careful for engage, boys. Careful for engage.
They failed.
Yeah. Careful. Yeah, kill those motherfucking rats. Tanga Bisayan tukang. Pucha. Where's the banner? Hilo front line. Yeah, just hold the banner. We just smash the wall. Yo, listen, don't stay on the choke, niggas. Just smack the walls. Careful over the wall. Listen, heal up front line. Parang titigas ng guards na to. But parang high level to.
P7.
Oh, it's actually tier 8. What the fuck? It's tier 8, not tier 7. Careful, they're gonna engage soon. Kill the guards here, everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. You don't teach the guards, kill it. Nice. Kill Emilia Rose outside. Yes, there are a lot of rats. That is true.
Naglalanggam tayo
Parang nasa tondo tayo, bro. I swear to God. Yo, I need more supports. I need a locus. I have 2 old keepers, only need 1 more locus. Ready defenses shallow. Against B. Ready defenses shallow.
Defend.
Southeast choke 5 shallow. Wait, tank inside. 3, 2, Na-cancel. Come back.
Saan kayo, Wogi?
Mistakes and miss.
Oh, si Jason, oh.
Tangina mo yun. 1 versus everyone ang puta.
I mean, it is what it is, you know. It's a outer ring Terry.
Ready.
Defense shallow. Yeah, I need more people to come. I need a locus. Somebody play locus. Can you locus touch me?
Yeah.
Bro, can you solo bomb? Sacrificial ka sa loob.
Sacrificial. Pangina sila sacrificial.
Busin mo yung kalaban bago makapasok. Ang dami rat sa likod eh. Careful, they're probably gonna... Nag-invis ah.
They win.
He's gonna pull one more, right? He's gonna pull one more. Ready? He's gonna look now. He's looking now.
Defend.
You look at this tank over the wall. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we catch him? Never mind. Let's smack this. Careful. People, mga low people sa harap, careful. Look at this 2 mages. Wait. I don't have cooldown yet. Can we not leash that mage? Don't leash that mage. Because it 2 mages. Cooks is looking sa gate. Cooks is looking on the gate. Ready defenses. Yo, fast engage on the mage. Wait. Ready defenses on Cooks. Cooks looking. Ready defense shallow. Heal up. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me an exalted inside.
Dami silence. Kako, choke na siya.
Yeah, got 2 sides. Yo, careful sir. What the fuck?
What the fuck? One glove yung rat ang puta.
Can we kill the shreds? Kill all the shreds? Kidnap all the shreds and kill all the shreds.
Patay yung mga tank.
Wait, what do you mean? Tanks. Hello.
The tanks are dead.
I'm not there. Can you guys pull back? Why are you dying so you know, very obvious engages? Hey, look at me shallow. Everyone, look at me shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me shallow. Ready defenses. They're gonna look. Heal up. Oh, nice. Get inside.
Sino may extra stick?
Sabihin na nga
Not sure.
ako na.
What?
Wala.
Yo,
Okay,
come inside. Listen, start kidnapping. Careful, spread. Yo, DPS, get ready. Ready, defense shallow. Walk in. Tangin na bobo nyo. Walk in. Why you guys clumping like that, man? Yo, get ready. Just walk. Inside, get ready. Look at Cooks. Wait, after that, Gigantify. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Oh, now spread. Tanks hold them. They're gonna engage. They're engaging. They miss. Heal up only, come north to side. Careful they're still stepping up They might engage, careful. Spread northwest. Careful, heal up. Many reds, man. Why so many people dying? Heal up. Come north. Come north. Can we kill all the fucking rats? Brawl the rats, DPS, brawl the rats. Tanks, watch the front line. Brawl the rats. Kill the rats. Nag-invis nandyan lang yan. Careful.
Patay yung Horford.
Yeah. Kill all the rats. Yo, come to me. Everyone recoup on me now.
Engage.
Yeah, so. Yo, look at Southeast shallow. We kill tanks. Listen, can I get a snare charge on the tanks and Healing Hood? Get ready. Just wait. Yo, look at the tank shallow. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Yo, I need an earlier Healing Hood on the tanks. Ready defenses. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses. I need an earlier Healing Hood on the tanks, man. They're looking. They're stepping up now. Ready defenses shallow. They miss. Heal up.
Did we OC?
Yeah, OC now. Good up OC. Again, get ready. Look at the tanks inside again. Just wait. They have CDs, they have cooldowns. Listen, spread! Motherfuckers! You're all on this fucking here! You guys are all here! You guys motherfucking spread! Ready your Miss Walker jacket. There's so many tanks inside. Careful.
Nag-invis.
Jacket in. Go deep southeast. Go deep east side. Tank hold that. Deep east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east side now. Everything. Come back fast. Everybody pull back now. They don't have to engage yet. Pull back. Tanks hold them. CC. Spread now. They're walking. Tanks hold them. Ready full defense up front. Spread now. Heal up. Yo, kill this. Whatever's inside of us. Kidnap in. Come on side. Tanks, be careful. Come on side. Kill this inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Yo, Birch. Yo, careful. They're looking.
Engaging.
Southeast shallow, everything 5, inside 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now. You kidnap the tanks. Careful, come back.
Shopping at the left side. Dismount to shopping.
Shopping's dismounted Can somebody watch shopping? Stay on top of it. Ready defenses. Yo, listen, careful. Okay, I'm gonna delay the defense. I'm gonna delay the engage. Cops looking. Cops stepping up Cops stepping up. Yo, wait. Just walk up. Just step up. Tanks, can we CC that? Just step up. Deep southeast, get ready. Deep southeast, wait. Just step up. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. No, listen. Come back and spread. They're gonna engage you. Come back. Come back. Okay, good. Yeah. Kill the guards inside now. Kill the guards inside now. Kill the guards inside. Kill the backline.
Bombayin ko kay Mara.
Yo, get ready, step up. Everyone, look at this. On the cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we kill this guy? Kill the guy. Nice, everybody come back. Heal up. Listen. We kill guards outside. Careful we're getting rolled by the rats If you look, come north side. Roll the rats inside. Yo, Mori, you're getting low, motherfucker. Come to the healer. Come north. Yo, listen, kill the guards inside. Look at me. Everything on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything crown. Now, fusion the If you're low, come north. Careful, boys, careful. So kill this glacial, or ano to? Glacial ba to?
Nature.
Rat. Nature, what the fuck? It's a white ass nature. Careful, heal up. Come northwest. Everything get ready. Catch that west side if we can. Catch that west side rats if you can. West side deep. Catch him. West side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill all the rats. Kill all the rats here. Kill all the rats. Purge him. Hold him. Fucking niggers, man. So many fucking rats in this fucking portal. Kill all of them. Okay, now everyone step up on me now. Oh, he's still alive. Can somebody fucking purge him when he does that? Or just damage him? Full damage him. Alright. Let's go. Everybody step up. Yo, careful I don't think Cops is back yet, but be careful still. Yo, tank, start smacking the wall, please. Start smacking the gates and the wall. Everybody get ready, look at inside and the guards inside. Just wait. Just hold. Yeah. Inside, get ready. Wait, HQQ is still there. Inside, wait. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 mage. Kill the blue things. Bomb shopping. Yo, catch shopping. Silent shopping. Yo, everything. Hold him. Silence him. Everything. Hold him. Everything inside. I'm shopping. 5. Whatever CD you have. 3, 2, 1. Everything on him. Just kill him here.
I'm too, baby.
Kill this other guy. Iitan yung rats. Fuck.
wala na ako mana.
Everything on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's annoying. Killing rats.
Wala karti ko, may out karti ko.
Listen, careful. Is Cox back even?
Nope. Emilia Road.
What the fuck? Is he Ricky from Portal? He has a hide up there.
Meron na siya.
Oh, he's there. Back. He's back. He's back.
Wala siyang set.
Yo, listen, careful over the wall again. Okay, listen. Everybody come northeast side. Everybody come northeast side. Yo, careful front line. Heal up. South shadow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get. Anong binubos mo? Yo, kill Cox. Kill Cox again. Ano?
May bombers kayo sa southwest.
Yeah, can you watch it?
Yeah, I'm watching it. On your west side, sorry.
Yo, Cox is dead again. Heal up. Listen, we kill guards. We kill guards. Come to me. Let me drag this guard. Yo, Earthon, can you drag this? Or Hodge? The east side guards. Putang, nagmintis ka pa, CJ. Inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putang ina, nilayo pa, pucha! Careful over the walls. Listen, the tanks. Careful.
Nagdadrop
Pero pati ng mga guards, gagi. Engaging!
Yeah, kill the guards first, please, so that, you know, the rat... Yo, come west side now, come west side to the rat. Yo, brawlers, can you brawl the rats? Fucking...
16% hit. 14.
There's so many of them, man. Everyone deep southwest 5. In cleanse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we do this inside? We're not there.
Yo, ang layo ng Zerg sa mga nagbabak ng gate.
We're not there.
Walis kayo dyan.
Chill, bro.
I'm just calling them engage, bro. I'm not doing anything, bro. We're not doing anything. Just calling them engage.
Earlier, you guys were dying.
Pero may English.
Yo, listen, brawl the guards. Brawl the guards on the north side. And kill this, whatever this.
There's a run breaker inside the boss.
Yeah, kill that runbreaker. Phone gamer, maybe.
Ah?
Yo, listen, on the guards, north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill this guards here. Now start smacking this demos. Stay engaging shallow.
Ikaw pa sa pull na.
Kill up.
Ano to, naga?
Yo, kill the guards.
Ah?
Yo, listen, we kill guards inside, And we're gonna focus on that southwest guard, so no one. On the southwest guard.
Iba ko sa paligid. Hindi na ako mga
Careful front line. Everyone on the southwest guards, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Yeah, how the fuck do you level 8 the fucking guards, man? That's so crazy.
Ganda ng nakaraan.
Yeah, now that's level 8. Yeah, tomorrow we smash the hideout if we take the Terry today. Okay.
Sakto may gold dito. Gold vortex.
You're gonna be careful. On the guard inside. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him.
900 na pala.
Careful, they might engage. Cooks is back. Listen, Cooks is back, boys. Come back. Cooks is back. He's gonna engage on the... He went invis already. They missed their engage. Kill the guards. You smack the walls also. Yo, can we kidnap when I have engage? Just wait. I'll tell you when to kidnap. I'll gigantify to you. Come back. Careful. Yo, can you kidnap on this gate? Just wait. Everyone just wait. We do a fast engage on the kidnap pa. Kidnap lang. Just wait.
5 seconds.
Just wait. Everyone inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside. Come back. You're ready, full defend here. Come back. Come north here now. Listen, smack the wall north side. Careful, defend shallow, heal up shallow. Yo, listen, smack the wall behind us, and then smack this walls in front of us. Yo, we Q's and W's on the guards inside, Yo, clumpers, can you guys clump up the guards? Clump them up. Yo, listen, get ready, look at the guards inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guards inside. Actually, I don't think you need to smack the walls behind us anymore so that the rats don't come in. Just focus on the guards. We clear the guards, we clear the walls here in front of us, then we start
Cooks in V,
sieging
cooks
after.
in V.
Cook and be ready, defend shallow. They're engaging on the west side, okay? Be careful. Hey, listen, on the guards again. Fusion the guard DPS. Don't teach the guards, please. Everything, look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, me. Kill the guards here. Okay, now. Okay, lesser problems now. Listen, focus on smashing walls and we step up soon. Yeah, we start kidnapping deep. Make sure it's on my backline. Tell me if you successfully kidnap someone. Careful shallow.
Hindi again, cooks in V.
Careful shallow. Defend shallow. Yo, we focus on kidnap. Look at this on the clerical. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clerical. Yo, why you pulling him more, man? When we're already engaging on him. Yo, careful. Ready defenses up front, south. Ready defenses up south. They have engaged. Spread north. Careful. There's someone getting engaged on inside. Yo, where's my ballista? Can my ballista dismounted Bastion? Why is that Bastion still alive? Where's Snowfell? Why is Snowfell on Beetle? He should be on a fucking ballista. Inside, wait, inside, south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on Cooks, everything on Cooks. Oh, he went on fucking Earthrune. Kill him here.
Cleric.
Okay, come back. Heal up front line. They're gonna engage shallow. Heal up. Full heal. Full defend. Full defend. Okay, good. Heal up. South, get ready. Just wait. On me, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. How do they survive? Come back now. Heal up front line. Heal up. Come back fast, boys. Okay, come back fast. What I'm saying. I told you, Cell. I told you. You made the wrong decision. You made the wrong decision, my friend. Yo, ready defenses. We kick Cooks again, Yo, listen, once Cooks Earth Runes, can we silence him before he pulls? Ready full defend, ready headbutt. Yo, kill that shopping. Yo, shopping. Everyone, west side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side deep. Everything deep. Nice. Come back north. Kill those threats inside. Yo, careful, Cooks is gonna look soon. Listen, again. Once Cook goes Earthrune, try to keep kidnapping Cooks. Just wait. There's a mage. The mage here is very painful. Yo, can we kill these guards here? Can everybody look at southeast? Tanks, look at southeast, Yo, look at these guards inside of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guards inside of me. Can everybody pull back after killing guard? Okay, nice. Pull back. Just wait. They're playing very deep on the guard now. On the mage now. Bakit naka-beetle ka samantalang nakabalista ka dapat, boy?
Namatay siya kanina, kita ko yung badge.
Namatay ka, tanga mo naman. Battle mo to namatay? Good.
Crazy. Domino Sophie.
Yeah, listen, we killed the tanks, I want to try to catch the tanks. Fusion the guards, Yo, guys, be on the north side. Why you guys all on the choke? Why you all on the choke?
May malaki dito.
For one rat? Really? Then get engaged on? Yo, get ready. Yo, fast engage on the mage, then instant pull back, Come north. Yo, wait. Look at the mage now. Everybody, look at the mage. Mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage now. You're ready defenses. Everybody pull back fast. You're ready defense on the J. Ready full defend on the J. Come back. Full defend now. Heal up. Come north. Get out of the mage, get out of the mage fast. Okay, good. Alakart tayo. Yo, papicho lang, manghuli ka ng maayos. Heal Yagami. Wait. Can you kidnap ba? Kidnap. Try to kidnap Cooks. Just wait. Everyone get ready for a fast engage inside. Ready healing hood inside so that they don't pop anything, okay? Wait. Inside. Look at this tank. Wait, can you catch the tank? Okay, come back. Masyado malayo. Sa taas lang ng zug natin there.
Inside ako. Inside.
Yeah, focus on the southeast side. Yeah, listen. We fake only, we fake only. Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Everything inside. Come back. Yo, Helion Hood, whoever's getting pulled. Ready, full defend in front. Yo, tanks, okay. One tank, listen. Drop a Helion Hood inside so that they don't blink, they don't pop their potion fast. If you see someone get pulled, just drop your Helion Hood fast. Come on. Just wait. Yo, get ready, look at the mage. Just wait. South on the mage. Wait. South on the mage. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Pull back now. Defend shallow. Guard rules. They fake only. Come back. They fake only. Come back. Pull back. Nobody should be there inside. Who the fuck is heal one for you? Heal Yagami east side. Again, everything on the... Yo, kill this. Q's on the south on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on the mage. Oh, mage. Now spread. Come back and spread north. They're gonna counter inside. Careful. Spread. They're going deep west. Defend west side.
Keeper.
Heal up cell fast. Did cell die? No, cell alive. Okay. Where's the shaper?
Sa inside.
Okay,
Inside.
Everyone step up. On the mage again, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage again. Come back now. Cooks is coming. Can we hold Cooks? Nice, come back. Okay, this fucking, we got V8. This fucking bastion.
Pag nag-invest si Cooks guys, yung frontline tanks lot niya heal yun.
Yo, get ready. Everyone on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Come back now. Fast now. Ready full defend. Okay, come back. Spread inside. Spread north. Defend shallow. Heal up my front line. Yo, can we get cleanses when we get health? Can we get cleanses fast? I need something to... Ano?
Wala na kasing game ko.
Yeah, just one tank lang. Just one tank. If you deny the clown, everybody just, lives. Yo, listen, we do fake only. Spread north. Listen, we do fake only, okay? Do not boots up, okay? But ready your defenses, ready your potion, ready your Mistwalker jacket. We're gonna fake on the mage, they're gonna step up, we're gonna counter engage, we're gonna headbutt. Ready full defend, ready your potion, okay? Yo, get ready. I'm faking only. Step up now. Fake only. Wait, fake only. They Cooks went in this. Ready full defend west side. Everything deep west side. Potion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Where's the clock? Come back. Heal front line. Cleanses front line. Now spread. Listen, spread north. Spread. Where is the spread? Cooks is in this. Defend shallow. Yo, can somebody watch Cooks, man? I'm the one watching him. He's fucking marked already. He goes in base. He's walking towards us. Nobody. What?
Nag-armor lang, makawala yun.
May tanks pa ba tayo?
We have tanks still. Retarded. They already fucking... Cooks is already stepping up.
You circuit defensively.
He's going in this walking towards us, right? It's very, very obvious. Can we silence? Get ready.
Or kung naka-guardian armor.
Like Mace, not much man, why you there sa southwest? Can you be on the southeast side instead of there being southwest? Why you in the southwest? Yo, double OC. Who the fuck? Wait, what? Who the fuck OC boy? Fake only. Yo, come back. Okay, wait. Meal. Spread north. Wait. So long, man.
Dito kayo tumayo tanks.
Yo, listen.
Cooks in
Yo,
Cooks in
defense southwest, everything south. Everyone walk up, step up now. Yo, pop your potion, deep south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep south now. Everybody come back now. Everybody full heal front line, full heal on everyone, and then come south. Everyone come north. Come north. Full heal and come north. Yo, the people that went northwest there, I just said come south. Right, come north. Heal up. Yo, kidnap cops. Bayos naman yung kidnap. Come north. Heal up. Kami sila. Takin ng beach to. Sakit. Yo, listen. We just full engage on the beach and just full absorb and sustain. Okay. Yo, listen. Tanks, every time I engage, try to slow down cops. The Sweaver armor, silence and everything. Okay. Everyone look at the mid shallow south. 5. Fast. Pull back fast now. Yo, guard rune, defenses ready. Defense south. Can you guys be north side more and stop staying on the southwest side? Please. Like, Cooks has been engaging there since earlier pa. I don't know why you guys keep staying there. He's been engaging there. Right? He's been engaging there on the southwest side. You guys been fucking what? Being always there. Can we kidnap the GA? I need to kill the tanks eh. Can I get an offensive snare charge and offensive heal unit? Get ready. Look at the southeast. These are all tanks. Can I get an early snare charge and an early heal unit? Get ready. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And where are the fucking maces, man? Come back. Where are the fucking maces? I didn't see any mace at all.
Cooks na engage shallow.
I didn't see any mace there at all. I already fucking explicitly said. Crazy then. Look at outside tanks now. Southside tanks. Snare charge now. 3, 2, 1. Southside tanks now. Kill the GA. Now come back. Pull back now. Full defend inside. Heal up front side. Heal front side. Come north. Full heal come north.
So yung mga cheaters ko, tinutulak tayo sa mid.
Ayun ako, do. Careful. Can we catch them? Can I get a snare charge on them?
Tipper.
Yo, can we catch them if they clump up? Come back to me. You're all making it obvious. Snare charge now and silence them. West side. Catch them. Anyone? I'm gonna kill myself, man. I wanna kill myself right now. I'll take a rope, fucking hang it. Holy shit, man. Yo, look at the south tanks, Look at this in front line. Can we catch? Can you give me a fake? Just wait. Ready defenses up front. Ready. Cooks gonna engage. Heal up. Potion. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on Cooks. Kill him here. Come back north. We missed. Come back north.
Namatay.
Sino namatay?
Lonely pa na.
Heal up. South, get ready. Step up. South. On the mage only. Wait. Give me a fake. Start pulling. Just wait. They pop their potion, Come north. South on the mage. Get ready. Wait. South on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South mage. Come back. They're stepping up. Cleanse front line. Cleanse fast, boys. Cleanse fast, man. The tanks are walking in. They're CCing. That's it. The The moment you see the one-hand hammer, just, you know, start fucking... Everyone, focus on the mage. Everyone focus on the mage. Yo, my solo bombers counter for me. Everyone look at the mage again. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Now pull back. Pull back. Heal my west side. Why are you guys there on that fucking side, man? Pull. Why are you there on the southwest side? Like, they've been engaging their southwest side since earlier. Can we start on early west side? Can somebody catch the rats, man? Deep west side, can we run this over? Deep west side, 5, catch them, brawl them. Catch them all. Chinese dogs, kill them all. Purge them. Purge him. Everything inside. 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Kill him. Oh, come southeast now. Yo, my solo bombers, can you defend shallow? Everyone step up now. Where are my tanks that can fucking hold, man? It's fucking annoying. Not even a GA. Everyone get ready. Already. Everyone look at south side on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mage. Baka. Yo, listen. Can my earth rune, my hodge, you guys pull the people to the mage?
Oh, hindi ginagawa ko.
Defend shallow.
Double OC check.
Double OC. Everyone double OC. Second food. Can you guys pull them to the mage early, man? Everyone get ready. On the mage again, south side. Step up now. Look at Cooks. Wait. Give me fake. Wait, can I get a hold on Cooks? South. Everyone look at south. Ready. South and Cooks. Wait. South and Cooks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. I'm dead, man. We're all dead. Come north side. Everyone hold north side. Heal up. Sustain only. They're gonna push. Hold only. They're gonna push.
Don't run, guys.
Hold only. They're gonna push. Just wait. Just hold only. Heal up. Trigger fast. Careful, ready defense up front. Heal up. Ready, full defense. Heal up. Everything step up. Look at me. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. On me. Kill him here. Kill everything inside. Kill all of them inside. Oi, just sustain. Everyone, big gear. Come back. There are no potions when we fucking headbutted there. Ano? Why is there no potions there? It's a fucking headbutt. Everyone regear fast. Where's the banner? Don't get engaged shallow. Everyone get ready. Kidnap this knock inside. Kidnap this. This fucking annoying GA. Can we kill this annoying GA? Nice. How many DPS party 2?
우리 방금 12명 터졌어.
Get ready. Mage fast.
쉽지 않냐. 와서 죽어 이거.
There's no fucking what demons. There's no. It's a fucking headbutt, man. Everyone get ready. Shallow. Trigger fast DPS. Inside. Get ready. 5. Wait. Heal up. Oh my God, Sherlin's dead. You got fucking shapered, man. Oh, he's down. Can somebody revive Sherlin? Yo, can my solo bombers do some risky plays, man? Defend shallow. Southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. There's no damage. Come back. Too late already. Come back. Yo, rigger fast. Where's the DPS? Rigger fast.
Careful guys, may mga gunter.
We're in 6 at... Yo, can you mace Kalista? Can you mace?
100 million?
Yeah. Okay. I don't have fucking hold, man. It's fucking annoying that I don't have hold. Zero fucking hold, man. Lag ako.
Hello.
I'm fucking calling a fucking snare charge. I mean, there's zero! Nothing! But he should be dying! Shaper! Careful! Faster! What's that invader? Nobody holding the overrats, you know, on the fucking west side. When we fucking can engage on them, there's no one. And literally, I can't really catch anyone. Nigga. I can't even fucking slow down the tanks, man. Like listen, when we engage on the tanks, what the fuck do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna try to pop their potion, they're gonna try to pop their boots so that they get away from engage. How do we fucking stop it? Just silencing them, that's it.
Nasa isang safe.
Yo, get ready, everyone, step up now. Everyone, look at me. South shallow. Inside, look at low only shallow. Ready. Hold him. Kidnap him north side. Kidnap him. Kill him north side. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him here. Kill him. Pretender. Execute. Oh my dear motherfucking lord. Come back.
May naka 4.3 na budget lang. Hindi. Sa
atin.
Then.
Heal up front line. Everyone, get ready now. Look at southeast. Wait. South on the mage. 5 on cooks. 3, 2, 1 on cooks now. Come back. Heal up. Come back. They're gonna counter. Careful. Spread. They're gonna counter. Spread. They're gonna counter. Heal up front line. Nice. Can we hold them here? Kill the tanks inside. Vision the tanks inside. Can we hold them? Get ready, look at the mage again. Get ready, on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage now, boys. Mage now. Where's the DPS, man? Come back. Now spread north. Cooks is stepping up. Spread north. Nice. Heal up. Oh my god, that tanks, man. You guys are stopping so wrong, man. You guys don't know what you're doing. It's crazy. You guys don't know what you're doing, tanks. Like, why would you snare charge going to the fucking engage itself? That's absolutely crazy. Defend shallow. Southwest, headbutt, potion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Can we delete them here? Can we kidnap them here? Oh my god.
Bigger care faster.
Roleplay more fucking dogs. Y'all are fucking useless as fuck. Everything, get ready. You unleash the mage. Come north. Come south now. Everything south. Get ready. Can we kidnap cooks? Just one. Come north. Everyone step up now. Yo, listen. Pop your potion. Go deep. Deep on the backline southeast. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on the backline southeast. Then push east side here. So that they're two with me. Push east side here. Push east side here. Push east side here. Rotate east side. Tanks hold them. Okay, wrap northeast. Yo, try to dodge the mage. Come northeast. Come northeast. Okay, nice. Then wrap north. Wrap north. Heal up my front line. Heal up my southwest side. Heal up. Okay, then come west here. We're just gonna go around. We're just gonna keep going around. Okay, get ready. Look at south. Get ready. Look at south. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on me. Then pull back north now. Pull back north now. Come north. What the fuck happened there? Come north. Heal up. Yo, what the fuck happened there?
와, 나 죽을 뻔했다, 진짜.
Side to mage.
May nagbobomber sa likod sila, ano, ayun.
Ayun, yung badon.
Can we kill this badons, man?
Pati si Xiaopiang andyan rin.
Come west side. Not even seeing any fucking tanks trying to hold the fucking bomb.
Hindi rin tayo nasa-sustain masyado yun.
May 6.3 North Bridle.
Bro, there's literally zero tanks that can fucking hold, man. I don't have a GA, I don't have a fucking BMS, right? And everybody decides to fucking roll them, and it's just annoying. Bobo nyo, putang ina nyo. Nasa tis. Cannot even fucking hold, man.
Oh, or
There's zero holds. The bombs just engaging, the solo bombs are just engaging shallow, man. Everything comes out. On the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mage. Come back now, pull back fast. Guard rune. They're looking southwest, okay? Heal up. They miss. It's a fake only, careful, it's a fake only. Just wait. Yo, again, get ready. Just wait. Using the Bison Tatang. They're going deep, defend shallow. Heal up. Nice. Get ready. Step up, give me fakes. Look at south, get ready. Can we hold this? Everything south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Come back now. They died, Cooks died. Everybody come north. Heal up, sustain, come north. Leash the mage, man. Come north. Fast, man. Just come north. No need to fucking loot, just come back. Cooks is dead. Listen, we focus on mage now. Everybody come south. Listen, come south. Focus on mage now, come south. Hello, heal up. Everybody come south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Kill this. Come back. Heal up. Heal my front line. Cleanse my front line so that they can come back. They're getting CC'd. Kill them. Okay, nice. Now heal up. Hold on.
오케이, 밑에 하나 나왔지.
Everything, get ready. South side, on the mage. 5, hold them. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on them. Come back. There's no cleanse behind. Come back. Take it, careful. Heal my front line. My back line now. Sustain. Come north. Heal up. Using the Bison inside. Yo, heal Luster. What's Luster even a fucking... Why is he using a herald? Yeah, I can have so many much better rolls, but then... Everything south side, get ready. Can we kill the tank? South. On the mage, wait, can I get pull? Okay, wait, they CC'd already, Look at the mage, south, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything mage. Come back. Heal my front line, full heal my front line. Full heal Ace and Emilia Rose. Full heal. Oh, come back north. Everybody come back north. Yo, full heal my north side. Can kill this guys. Everybody come south. Yo, shallow on the tanks. Look at the tanks shallow. Everyone. Step up. Tank shallow south. Get ready. Yo, oh my god. Heal up. Just come north. Just come north.